Now let's have a look at how to manually exalate a ticket from one system to the other. In the last video, we created a scripted connection between our Jira Cloud and Azure DevOps instance, and the connection was completed successfully and is marked as active. This means that the two systems are linked, and we can already start synchronizing tickets over. Remember that we haven't done any configuration so far. That will come on later in this series. So let's start by creating a ticket. This ticket will be created on the Jira end, and we can manually exalate it over to the other side. In order to do that, an agent should go to the Exalate panel here and click on the Exalate button. Now Exalate will attempt to create a twin issue on the Azure DevOps side. And once it's completed the process, it will provide you with an issue key and a link to the Azure DevOps system for that corresponding ticket. So the work item key is created. Now let's just open this work item in the Azure DevOps system, and yeah, we have our twin ticket created. It's important to understand that the bidirectional synchronization is already in place, even though you haven't created any configuration yet. To display what I mean, let's change the description here. Don't forget to save it. As soon as I make a change on either end, in this case, I've made it on the Azure DevOps end, but the same goes for Jira. It would automatically trigger this change to be reflected on the other side. Okay, the description is added. Let's now attach a file as well. And save it. So these are two changes that I've made on my Azure DevOps side, and I expect Exalate to have pushed them over to the pairing ticket on the Jira side. So as you see, the description has already come over. I made an edit to the description on the Azure DevOps side, and it's reflected in my Jira. We're still waiting for the attachment to arrive. And there it is. The attachment has arrived as well. As I already mentioned, this is a bidirectional synchronization, so if I add a comment here, it will automatically fly over to the other side. Let's give it a few seconds and then check on the Azure DevOps side. Yes, the comment has also arrived on this side. So this is how you can manually synchronize a ticket from one side to the other side, regardless of the platform you are on.